Houston police are asking for the public's help identifying a man who was seen in a Snapchat video firing a gun outside a car window in Northwest Houston. The man can be seen firing a semi-automatic weapon from the back seat of a moving vehicle. Police have not determined the exact location of the shooting, but believe it happened in Northwest Houston sometime between the last week of March or the first week of April. If you have information on the incident or you know the shooter's identity, you're urged to call police.